Today, I want to talk about the rapid evolution of AI and what you need to know to stay on top of your game. As we all know, AI is evolving exponentially. ChatGPT was introduced 3 years ago, and things have been added and evolved. But the newest tool that has just come out, literally a little over 2, 3 months ago, shows how rapidly things are advancing and what the future of AI holds. The first step was GPT, where you could create custom GPTs or chats that would give you answers, write descriptions, analyze files. But it's an input output type of scenario where you have to give it some input information and then you'll get an output. Depending on how specific and good your input information is, will determine the output. The next step was having tasks accomplished, and Claude is really excelling at that. Claude initially introduced Claude Code for programmers. A lot of people use it for vibe coding. And then very recently, CoWork. Claude CoWork is a tool that allows you to manipulate data on your computer, on your desktop. It can execute tasks. You can tell it, go and look in these documents and pull out XYZ information and analyze it and create a Google spreadsheet or Excel spreadsheet with the information. And this is just an example. You can also string some of these tasks together, but it's still very rudimentary with respect to what you can do. You can read your tasks in Asana or grab documents from your Google Drive and create a task in Asana or update a task in Asana, but it's all very task-oriented. You still have to tell it what to do. The next step in evolution really is true agentic AI, and the best example of that is Clawdbot, now called OpenClaw. Now, this is a tool that was introduced first in November of last year. So here we are. Today is February 6th. So literally in a span of 3 months, this has developed into a huge craze. Many places it's hard to find Mac Minis, not MacBooks, Mac Minis, because it's the preferred choice to host it. And Clawdbot or OpenClaw is an AI solution that you host yourself that has agents that truly will work, learn about you, evolve. It's everything that you ever wish that ChatGPT or Apple Siri would be like. I highly, highly recommend you go and check it out, clawdbot.ai. I'm going to link it in the description just to see what is at the horizon, how rapidly this is evolving. So what does this mean? As a real estate professional or title professional, you have to immerse yourself and learn about these tools because your competitors are. And if you're still moving along, doing things the way you've always done them, and someone else is able to literally have a team of 10, 15, 20, 200 AI bots work for them, research, find information, execute things, then you're going to be in a very, very weak position. So this development is accelerating phenomenally fast. This is exponential growth or development on steroids. And literally within the next year, by the end of this year, the advances that we will see are going to vastly outpace anything that we've seen so far to date. So these are huge changes, but also incredible opportunities. And again, I'm focused on the real estate and title industry, and my goal is to help you guys. I'm having a live event March 5th. I'm inviting a very, very limited group of people to this event. It's in Tampa. If you're interested, please DM me, and I'll get you the information. It's all about AI, and we'll have some socializing and networking afterwards. And also, don't forget about my weekly webinar series. So I'm here to help you. I'm here to answer your questions. I've been part of this whole technology evolution for over 3 decades, since the beginning of the internet, when the internet was something that nobody knew about. And my mission is to help real estate professionals not only stay in business, but really up their game exponentially using these amazing tools that are now at our disposal. Hope you found this helpful. I'm Thomas Hyman, CEO of Cloud Title, and feel free to reach out to me directly, DM me. I read all my messages, and I'll be happy to work with you.